Hey guys, it's Mr. Wimp again. We're going to talk about data sheets real quick. On a data sheet, basically what you get is, this one happens to be from Motorola, you get a picture of the integrated circuit, and what's most important is this diagram right here, and you can see it's got the little notch, and you can see the actual AND gates inside of this particular 2-input AND gate. This is a 74LS08 gate. And what you can see is the VCC and ground, and it shows you the pins and where things go. So when you're looking up these data sheets, what I like to do is I go to Google or wherever, and I literally will type in 74LS08, and you'll see things start popping up. But I'm looking for a data sheet. And the brand that I happen to like, you'll see Fairchild, Texas Instruments, National Semiconductor. I prefer to look for Motorola data sheets if possible. Not really any particular reason for Motorola, but I do like their data sheets because, and you'll see this is the first one's a PDF. I like this one. The reason I like these is they're pretty short, and the very first page has a picture. It's basically what I'm looking for. Is I need a picture of that integrated circuit. I need to know where the pins are, what they're attached to, and where the top is. And most of them will do this. The Fairchilds are pretty nice too. They have that right away. They just don't show that little notch, and so it makes it just a little bit trickier. But anyway, you can see this pin here. It's got the 3 different types. You've got this surface mount, and then these 2 medium scale integrations there. And then you start seeing some more operating ranges, some other information that you may or may not need. And eventually you'll see on different ones, you'll see physical dimensions of the chips themselves if you need to know how big they are for if you're designing something for physical designs. But anyway, there's all sorts of information on these, but really the most important information is this guy right here. And the easiest way to get that is just to type in 74LS08 or whatever that happens to be, and it'll pop up quad 2-input AND gate. So you can see here's the AND gates. They're 2-input AND gates, and there's 4 of them, so it's a quad. You can get these in all sorts of different variations. I've also posted these in the outbox, and I'll probably put them up on my website just to have them in a good place. But you definitely want to have at least this first page printed out and in your notes, because it'll pretty much tell you where to put wires when you're designing your circuit. All right, that should do it.